everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Here we are going to discuss chapter number 9 Logarithms of exercise 9.1 question number 1 to 11 of class 9 mathematics. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.
Let us solve the exercise 9.1 here in this video. So the first question is, we have to write it in logarithmic form. The exponential form is given. So this is the first part. We can write this as log of 5, log of 25 with base 5 equal to 2 here. Second part is a की power 5 equal to 64. We can write it as log of 64 with base a is equal to 5. Third question is 7 की power x equal to 100. Simply we can write it as log of 100 की base 7 equal to x. Now the fourth part here is 9 की power 0 equal to 1. We can simply write it as log of here it is 1 with base 9 equal to 0. Fifth question is here. Fifth part is 6 की power 1 equal to 6. Again we can write this as log of 6 with base 6 equal to 1. And here the sixth part is 3 minus 2 equal to 1 by 9. This also we can write as log of 3 with base log of 1 by 9, log of 1 by 9 with base 3 is equal to minus 2 here. Now the seventh part here is 10 की power minus 2 equal to 0.01. So we can write this as log of 10, log of 0.01 with base 10 is equal to minus 2. And eighth part is A81 की power 3 by 4 equal to 27. So on solving this, we will get 3 की power 4 whole power 3 by 4 equal to 27. This we have to log in the form of log we have to write. So log 27 with base 81 equal to 3 by 4 here. So this is the solution of the first question here. Now here we are going to solve question number 2, in which we have to convert the log form in the exponential form. First part is log with base 2, log of 32 with base 2 is equal to 5. We can write this as 2 की power 5 equal to 32 in exponential form. Second part given here is log of 81 with base 3 is equal to 4. Here we can write this also as 3 की power 4 equal to 81. If we cross check also, it is 81 only. Now the third question here is log of 1 by 3 with base 3 is equal to minus 1. We can write 3 की power minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Now fourth question here is log of 4 with base 8 is equal to 2 by 3. Simply we can write it as 8 की power 2 by 3 equal to 4. So it will be 2 की power 3 whole power 2 by 3 equal to 4. This will be cancelled out and it will be 2 की power 2 as 4 only. So this is the final thing. 8 की power 2 by 3 equal to 4 only. Now we can write in fifth part here is, which is log 32 with base 8 equal to 5 by 3. Again we can write this as 8 की power 5 by 3 equal to 32 only. On simplifying also, this also we will get 2 की power 5 as 32. So it will be 2 की power 5 equal to 32 on simplifying. Now the sixth part here is log of 0.001 with base 10 equal to minus 3. So on solving this part, we will get 0.001 की whole power, it will be 10 की whole power minus 3 equal to 0.001. Now the seventh part here is log 2, log of 0.25 with base 2 is equal to minus 2. We can write it as 2 minus 2 ka whole square minus 2 is equal to 0.25 here. So on simplifying we will get 1 by 4 and something like that. So this is the final answer only. Now we have 8 part as log of 1 by a with base a is equal to minus 1. Writing it as we can write 1 by a, or sorry, a की power minus 1 as 1 by a. So this is the final answer, and this is the question solution of question number 2 here. Now let us solve question number 3 here, which is we have to convert the exponential form and find the values here of log 216, which is the first part here. We can write this part as equal to, let it be x firstly. So it will be 2 की power x equal to 16. On writing it as 2 की power 4, we will compare the exponent power. So x will be 4 from here. And the second part here is log 5, log 125 with base 5. Put it as again x to find the value of this log. Firstly, we will convert it as 5 की power x equal to 125. So it will be 5 की power x equal to 5 की power 3, and x will be equal to 3 from here. Now the third question here is log of 8 with base 4 equal to, firstly let it as x, and it will be 4 की power x equal to 8. So 4 की power x we have to write. So we will write it in the form of 2 only. It is 2 की power 2x from here, and it will be 2 की power 3. On comparing the exponent powers, we will get 3 by 2 as the final answer here. Now the fourth part here is log 9, log 27 with base 9 equal to, firstly we will write it as equal to x, and we will put 9 की power x equal to 27. So 3 uh, whole square x here we can write, and 3 की power 3. Simply we will compare the exponent powers. On comparing, we will get x is equal to 3 by 2 as the answer here also. Now let us solve the fifth question here. Fifth part is log of 0.01 with base 10. We can write it as, firstly we'll let as x, 10 की power x equal to 0.01. So it will be 10 की power minus 2 here equal to, on comparing, we can write it as 10 की power x equal to 10 की power minus 2, and on comparing x is equal to minus 2 from here. Now let us solve the sixth part here, which is log 1 by 7 with base 7. So put it as equal to x, and it will be x की power, sorry, 7 की power x equal to 1 by 7. So 7 की power x is equal to 7 minus 1. On comparing the exponent powers here, we will get x is equal to minus 1 as the final answer here. Now let us solve seventh question here, which is log of 256 with base 0.5, and here we will firstly put it as x, and 0.5 की whole power x is equal to 256 from here. So simply writing this part as, can write this as 1 by 2 की whole power x equal to 2 की power, here as firstly 4 into 2. So it will be 8 here. On comparing the value, we will get 2 minus x equal to 2 की power 8. So on comparing the exponent powers, we will get x as minus 8. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve the eighth part here, which is equal to log of 0.25 with base 2. So we can simply write this as x, letting it as x. So 2 की power x equal to 0.25 here. So it will be 2 की power x equal to 1 by 4, and 2 की power x is equal to 1 by 2 का whole square. 2 की power x equal to 2 की power minus 2, and x is equal to minus 2 here. So this is the answer here in this question. Here we are going to solve question number 4, first part, in which we have to find the value of x. So log with the base 3, log of x with base 3 is equal to 2. We have to find the value of x, so we can write it as 3 की power 2 equal to x. So x will be 9 from here. Now the second part here is log of 25 with base x is equal to 2. We can simply write as x की power 2 equal to 25. On comparing, we can write x की power 2 equal to 5 की power 2. From here, x is equal to 5. Now we have to solve the third part here, which is log of 10x is equal to minus 2. Again, we can write 10 की power minus 2 equal to x. So it will be 1 by 100 equal to x, and x will be 1 by 100 from here. Now we will solve the fourth part here, which is log of x with base 4 equal to 1 by 2. We can simply write it as 4 की power half equal to x. So it will be x is equal to 2 from here. Now the fifth part here is log of 11 with base x is equal to 1. So it will be x की power 1 equal to 11. From here x is equal to 11. Sixth part of this question here, fourth question, log of 1 by 4 with base x equal to minus 1. So x की power minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. So x की power minus 1 equal to 4 minus 1, and comparing x is equal to 4 from here. Now let us solve here the seventh part. It is log of x with base 81 equal to 3 by 2. So 81 the whole power 3 by 2 we can write equal to x, and here writing it as 9 square the whole square 3 by 2 equal to x. 2 will be cancelled out, and 9 की power 3 means 9 into 9 into 9 equal to x here, which will be equal to 729 equal to x. Now the eighth part here is log of x with base 9 equal to 2.5. Here we can write this part as x की power 9 की power 2.5 equal to x from here. So it will be 9 की power 5 by 1 by 2 equal to x, and here we can write 3 की power 2 whole power 1 by 2 equal to x. 2 will be cancelled out, and x is equal to 3 from here. So this is the answer. Now the ninth part here is log of x with base 4 equal to minus 1.5. We can write this part as 4 की power minus 1.5 equal to x. Again 4 की power minus 3 by 2 equal to x. So simply we can write as 2 की power 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled out from here, and we will get as 2 की power minus 3 equal to x, and 1 by 8 equal to x. So this is the value of x in the ninth question here. Now let us solve the 10th question here, which is log of x base under root 5 equal to 2. We can write it as under root 5 का whole square equal to x. So 5 is equal to x from here. Now the 11th part from here, it will be log of 0.001 के base x equal to minus 3. So it will be 0. X की power minus 3 equal to 0.001. On comparing, we will get x minus 3 equal to 10 की power minus 3. So x will be 10 from here. Now the 12th part here is log of x plus 1 with base under root 3 equal to 2. So we can write this as under root 3 का whole square equal to x plus 1. So it will be 3 minus 1 equal to x. From here x is equal to 2. 13th part is log of 2x plus 3 के base 4 here equal to 3 by 2. So we can write this part as 4 का 4 की power 3 by 2 equal to 2x plus 3. So we can write this as 2 की power 2 की whole power 3 by 2 equal to 2x plus 3. So on opening the bracket, this will be cancel out, and here we will get 8 minus 3 equal to 2x. So it will be 5 by 2 equal to x from here. So this is the solution of part 13 here. Now 14th question is from here log of x की base cube root 2 equal to 3. From here it will be cube root 2 की whole power 3 equal to x, and it will be on solving 2 equal to x from here. Now the 15th part from here is log of x square minus 1 with base 2 equal to 3. We can write this part as 2 की power 3 equal to x square minus 1, and it will be 8 plus 1 equal to x square, and 9 is equal to x square from here. So x will be plus minus 3. 16th part here is equal to log of x equal to minus 1. So we will, if the base is not given, we take base always as 10. So letting it as 10 here base, so 10 की power minus 1 will be x. It will be 1 by 10 equal to x from here. And the 17th part here is log of 2x minus 3. Again base is not given, so we will let base as 10 only. 10 की power 1 equal to 2x minus 3, which will be 10 plus 3 equal to 2x. So 13 by 2 will be the value of x from here. And the 18th part from here, it is log of x is equal to minus 2 comma 0 comma 1 by 3. We can write this part as 10 as base. So 10 की power minus 2 will be x. 10 की power 0 it will be x. 10 का cube root will be x. We can write this part x is equal to 1 by 100, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to under root cube root of 10. So from here these are the values of x here. So this is the answer. Now the fifth question here in this exercise is given that in logarithmic form, log of a with base 10 is b, and we have to express this part, express 10 की power 2b minus 3 in terms of a. So we can write this part as firstly 10 की power b equal to a, and now we can solve the value here of 10 की power 2b minus 3 equal to 10 की power 2b divided by 10 की power 3 equal to 10 की power b का whole square divided by 10 की power 3. We can simply write as a का whole square divided by 10 की power 3 as the answer here. Now the sixth question here is given that log of x with base 10 equal to a and log of y with base 10 equal to b, and here log of z with base 10 is equal to c. So firstly from us it is asked that we have to write down the value of 10 to a minus 3 in terms of x, and the given information is in logarithmic form. So firstly we will convert it into exponential form as 10 की power a equal to x, 10 की power b equal to y. We can simply write as 10 की power 2a minus 3 as 10 की power 2a divided by 10 की power 3. So it will be 10 की power a का whole square divided by 10 की power 3 equal to x square divided by 10 की power 3 as the answer of the first part. Now the second part here, we have to find the value of 10 की power 3b minus 1 in terms of y. So we can simply write as 10 की power 3b minus 1 10 की power 3b divided by 10. So 10 की power b की whole cube divided by 10. So it will be y का cube divided by 10 is the answer here in this question. Now the third part here is if log of p with base 10 is equal to 2a plus b by 2 minus 3c, express p in terms of x, y and z. So simply we can write here as p की 10 की power 2a plus b by 2 minus 3c equal to p. So firstly we will write 10 की power 2a into 10 की power b by 2 divided by 10 की power 3c equal to p. So 10 की power a का whole square, 10 की power b का half, 10 की power c का whole cube equal to p. So here we can write it as x का whole square, y का half, y का under root and here z as we can write. Here we can write this as an exponential form 10 की power c equal to z. From here only 10 की power c z का cube equal to p. And here we have to express in x, y, z. Hence we can write this as x का square under root y divided by z का cube is equal to the value of p. So this is the final answer in sixth third part. Now let us solve seventh question of exercise 9.1, which is if log x with base 10 is equal to a and log y with base 10 is equal to b, then find the value of x and y here. X into y. Simply we can write it as 10 की power a equal to x and here 10 की power b equal to y. So x into y from here will be 10 की power a into 10 की power b equal to 10 की power a plus b as the final answer in the seventh part. Now the eighth part from here it is given information in logarithmic form is 10 की power a with base 10 is equal to m and 10 की power log with base b uh, with base log of b with base 10 is equal to n. We have to express here a cube divided by b square in terms of m and n. So simply we can write firstly 10 की power m equal to a, 10 की power n equal to b. We have to express in a cube divided by b square form. So we can write it as a cube divided by b square as 10 की power m का whole cube divided by 10 की power n का whole square. So it will be 10 की power 3m divided by 10 की power 2n. So it will be 10 की power 3m minus 2n as the answer of 8th part. Let us solve the ninth question here, which is given information is 10 log of x with base 10 is equal to 2a and log of y with base 10 is equal to b by 2. Here the first part is we have to write 10a in terms of x. So firstly we will write this logarithmic form in the exponential form. We can write this as 10 की power 2a equal to x. Here 10 की power b by 2 equal to y. So it will be 10 की power b का half equal to y and 10 की power a is equal to x की power half. So 10 की power a from here we got it as x की power half means under root x from here. So this is the answer of first part. Now the second part says that we have to write the value of 10 की power 2b plus 1 in terms of y. So it will be 10 की power 2b into 10 equal to um, Here we can write as 10 की power का whole square into 10, which will be y y का square का whole square into 10. So y की power 4 into 10 is the answer here in the second part. Now the third part says that third part is we have to write if log of p with base 10 is equal to 3a minus 2b, then express p in terms of x and y. So this we have to express in the terms of x and y. So it will be 10 की power 3a minus 2b equal to p. So we can write simply as 10 की power 3a by 10 की power 2b equal to p. So 10 की power a का whole cube, 10 की power b का whole square equal to p. So this will be from here 10 की power a as x की power half का whole cube, and here y का square का whole square. So simply we got the value of p from here on solving x की power 3 by 2 upon y की power 4 as the answer of the third part. Let us solve the 10th question here, in which if log of y with base 2 is equal to x and log of z with base 3 is equal to x, we have to find 72x in terms of y and x. In terms of y and x, so simply we can write it here as 2 की power x equal to y, 3 की power x equal to z, and 72x we can write it as, on taking firstly simplifying this, so we can write it as 2 3 into 3 square the whole power x. So here also 2 की power 3x on multiplying opening the bracket and 3 की power 2x. So simply we can write it here as 2 की power x का whole cube into 3 की power x का whole square. So it will be y की power 3 into z का square. So y की power 3 and z का square is the answer here, means the value of 72x, which is asked in the question. Now let us solve the 11th question here, which says that if log of x with base 2 is equal to a and log of y with base 5 is equal to a, then we have to write 100 की power 2a minus 1 in terms of x and y. So simply we can write this part as 2 की power a equal to x, 5 की power a equal to y, and 100 की power 2a minus 1 simply we can write as 100 की power 2a divided by 100. So it will be 100 की power a का whole square divided by 100. So this also we can write as here 2 की power firstly as 2 and 5 की power 2 a whole square a and whole square 2. So this will be divided by 100. On solving this part, we will get 2 की power 2a into 5 की power 2a का whole square divided by 100. Again, we can write 2 की power 4a into 5 की power 4a divided by 100. Now on writing this part, we can write as x की power 4, y की power 4 divided by 100 as the answer of 11th part here in this question.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.